Hello friends, Ben here for Giant Loop, and if you've got a bike with weird shaped racks, we have the perfect product for you. Check out the Giant Loop Siskiyou Panniers. Early on in Giant Loop's history, the whole focus of the company was on creating rackless bags, and the Siskiyou originally came out of that desire to create a set of panniers that didn't necessarily need pannier racks. It has a few unique features designed to accommodate that idea. It's got straps across the back, it's got this big flap, all of which is designed to provide structure and support for the bags hanging off the side of the motorcycle. Now in some cases, these Siskiyou panniers actually work great on bikes with no racks at all, but over the years what we've discovered is that they work best either with a traditional square pannier rack, they totally work with a regular pannier rack, but they also work incredibly well with any kind of structure on the back side. A great example of this kind of non-standard rack was my KLR 650 Adventure, and I used these Siskiyou panniers on it. It did not have a full rack, it just had a bar that was designed to support the stock panniers, and these Siskiyou soft panniers were the quickest, easiest way to add soft panniers to that motorcycle. So if you have an unusual shaped side rack, some kind of proprietary OEM triangle or circle or whatever it is, too small for traditional panniers, the Siskiyou panniers are probably a great choice for you. They give you a ton of storage, they're very flexible and can be used in a ton of different ways. If you're riding aggressively off-road, we definitely recommend some support for these because they can swing a little bit without a bit of a rack behind them. What I love about the Giant Loop Siskiyou panniers is that they combine the convenience of top-loading hard panniers with the performance benefits of Giant Loop's soft luggage. They're constructed with flexible, impact-resistant, waterproof materials, and they deliver the ultimate lightweight, rugged, and compressible gear packing solution for on- and off-road motorcycle adventures. You've got 70 liters of storage, 35 liters per side with the Siskiyous. It comes with 2 seam-sealed waterproof inner liner dry pods. The bags themselves are incredibly water resistant, but if you want that full submergible waterproofness, use the dry pods that are included with the bag. It has a top-loading design for easy access. There's a mesh pocket under the lid for quick access to commonly used items. There's also a ton of lash points. This bag is incredibly versatile as a result. You've got D-rings on the top, and it's very quick and easy to add a Tillamook bag or something else to the top of this for additional storage. Comes right off very quick. There are 2 large bellowed pockets in the front of each pannier that just happen to be the perfect size to fit a 1-gallon Cactus canteen, as I've got here. I have a 1-gallon Armadillo bag on the other side here, an Nalgene bottle. I like to put my jet boil in there because it's exactly the right size, but those are external quick access pockets for something you want to get to without getting all the way into the pannier. They have reflective accents. This bag comes with 2 Hot Springs heat shields, so we want to make sure that you are very well protected in terms of heat. You can set it up any way that makes sense for your motorcycle, and we want you to have maximum protection, so you get 2 heat shields with this bag. They feature adjustable width, so I've got them here on the Tenere 700. I've mounted them on my KLR 650. You could do it on a dual sport or a very wide adventure bike. You've got a ton of adjustability on the top with the straps and the Velcro flap. Webbing straps anchor the front to the front passenger foot pegs, and you anchor it to the rear of the motorcycle in a bunch of different ways, including with the straps that come with the bag. Here on my Tenere 700, I've actually mounted it in the back with pronghorn straps, and I'm not even using the Velcro straps that come with the bag, but you make it work for your bike any way you want. This bag is also set up to specifically work with our quick loop security cable. There is a sleeve underneath that you run the cable through for extra security. So if that's what you're looking for, this is built right into the Siskiyou panniers. So if you're looking for a waterproof soft luggage solution that has all the benefits of hard luggage, or you've got a weird looking set of racks on your bike, or in some cases, rare cases, no rack at all, the Giant Loop Siskiyou panniers are an incredibly versatile system that can give you that soft luggage setup without needing to buy rigid mounts or permanently mount them to your motorcycle or deal with a whole bunch of buckles and straps. This one's, it's 2 straps to the passenger foot pegs, 2 straps to the back, and it's good to go. The Siskiyous carry a ton of gear. They're really easy to use, incredibly durable, very versatile, and I highly recommend them, just like all of our bags. I do feel like these are maybe one of the most misunderstood bags in our lineup. They're a little bit less straightforward in purpose because of their versatility, so hopefully that helps you understand the point and purpose of the Siskiyou panniers. If you have more questions about the Siskiyous, please feel free to leave them in the comments or email us directly at ride@giantloopmoto.com. If you want to know, will it fit on my bike? How do I set that up? What are great accessories to use with it? We're always happy to help you out customer service-wise via email or with the Chat Now feature on GiantLoopMoto.com. Make sure you're subscribed to the Giant Loop email newsletter so that you're getting monthly sale announcements. We're running a huge sale in June right now. And the only way to get those promo codes is to be on our mailing list. You only get a few emails a month. You'll be first to know about product pre-orders and stuff like that going on. You just scroll down to the bottom of GiantLoopMoto.com, type in your email address, and you're good to go. Also, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel here for product announcements, sale announcements, how-tos, and other great content. And don't forget that all YouTube subscribers save 10% with promo code SUBSCRIBER on GiantLoopMoto.com. The Siskiyou Panniers, like all of our products, are backed by our lifetime warranty, and all orders over $75 ship for free from GiantLoopMoto.com. Thank you for watching. Go light, go fast, go far with Giant Loop.